Okay guys, today I'm going to try to repair this Boston Audio. It's not working, it's in really rough shape. None of the tinsel leads are reading out. None of them I don't even think work. They're all ripped from the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put direct leads. Sort of like how you see this one right here. This one is like from a year ago, maybe even longer. Ever since it gave out, I just put it in the closet, haven't used it. I'm going to try to go ahead and put some direct leads to it, right under here, the dust cap. And then I got to find a dust cap for it to make it look pretty, but I'll show y'all whenever I got that direct leads on. Okay YouTube, I went ahead and fixed this side right here where the original one that I fixed was. I just went ahead and tried some different type of speaker wire. This stuff is a little bit more flimsy, gives it a little bit more play, and it's not as thick of wire. And I just went ahead and put it right there over the tinsel lead. I know it looks like a mess because it sort of is, but you know, it's like a small temporary solution, and this is not the right way to fix the speaker at all. So that being said, I just went ahead and ran the wire right through the hole where the previous hole was that I had the old speaker wire running through. It goes right there. The old tinsel lead is right there off to the left, and it goes to the positive. And then the tinsel lead, the one that I just put in, I'm going to go ahead and call it a tinsel lead. It's sticking out the cone right there, and just coming out right here, pulling on over here. And as for the negative, I did find that it wasn't like a broken connection right there, so I went ahead and connected the wire right there, but it was just sticking in there. The tinsel lead was just sticking inside the negative part, and it wasn't making very good connection. So I just went ahead and just finished pulling it out, and it didn't damage the lead at all. Still looks pretty good right there, very clean cut. I just basically slid on out basically. I don't know if the solder just gave out or whatever they had going on right there, but I just went ahead and connected the wire same way, and that goes to right there to the negative. And you can see that the ohms is right about 4. It's almost there, it's good enough. It's not going to be exact. Some speakers they are exact, but after just some playtime and all the abuse, sometimes the ohms could change. But it's more or less 4 ohms. The amp won't really be able to tell a difference. Well, there we are. Oh, and I found the dust cap for it too. This is what it's supposed to look like. If I could get her on there right. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I'll just go ahead and start trying to run something in here, like the speaker wires in there. So at least they could get held in place and not be flapping around. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook her up to the amp, and let's see what she could do on some flex. Get her moving a little bit. I'm gonna play some frequencies for y'all, do some frequency sweeps, and then possibly a couple of songs, and see where that takes us. Let's see if she holds up to the test. At a different time I'm going to go ahead and glue this down, but for now it's going to go ahead and be off. Let's get started. Okay, I have her all hooked up to a Pioneer 760 watts. It's wired at 4 ohms. The single voice coil. I'm going to go ahead and play 9 hertz for y'all real quick. I'm going to step it up to 10. Now I'm going to step it up to 11. Now 12. Turn down the volume a little bit. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. I'll go ahead and stop there.
But for everything else, there's Rusticles.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo-wop drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop. Have price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch, on your stony, I do it all. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo-wop drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you down. $100,000 on the tabletop. Have price my whip, same price my watch. Got no trouble, but I ball a lot. Bitch, on your stony, I do it all. Didn't know that was your girl when she gave me top. Kicked out the road, said thanks a lot. Goddamn, I love paper like a Michael Scott. I can do things that your man cannot. Slab boy coming down there, mama. Everybody say that I gotta be stopped. Even on my fucking form, ain't none of that. I'm so ahead of you, motherfuckers. How you comprehend what you ain't understanding? Count 100 bands and I watch it vanish. Diamonds going crazy like they on the dance floor. Got a lot of ass, nothing I can handle. Flavorless, whatever, you should try what I got. Keep getting your door, it's what you thought. $100,000 on the table, top. Price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I bought a lot. Bitch, on your stony, I do what I want. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors on the woo up top. If you busy plotting on what I got, keep getting your door, it's what you thought. $100,000 on the table, top. Price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I bought a lot. Bitch, on your stony, hey, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey, hey. Shout out Lil with an ass on. Brand new Gucci got a bag on. Bought in the club with a ransom. Can't even tell with the cash on. Hey, I can't even tell with the cash on. I can't even tell without the cash on me. Cash on me. I can't tell without the cash on me. Cash on me. I got all the cash on me. I got all the cash on me. Yeah. I got all the cash. Put it back in advance. I can count a meal with hand. Putting on all that bread. Putting the runners all on your ass. Pussy all on my rap. Givenchy shirt brand new. I'm from the hood. Still got on my tag. She like bitch. Yeah, what, baby? I like bitch too. Hey, she like money. Yeah, what, baby? I like giving too. Look, when I fuck her chest to chest, you know I feel a heartbeat. We up, baby, we not falling. Tell them for the money, being the wheel. Pull up, throw it on down that deal. Don't worry about your bitch coming home tonight. She gon' be okay. I'm talking love, baby. You can be my Beyonce. And I hate when she get off in my business, baby, on straight. I wanna know what's happening. Shout out Lil with an ass on. Brand new Gucci got a bag on. Bought in the club with a ransom. I can't even tell with the cash on me. Hey, I can't even tell with the cash on me. I can't even tell with all the cash on me. Cash on me. I can't tell with all the cash on me. Cash on me. I got all the cash on me. I got all the cash on me. Too much money to save, don't got food. I grew up hard, raised by some bulls. Keep it real when you with the bull. And if I say they know, then I'ma do it. Why they had to kill my dog? Still put money in the wall. Nut, rest in peace. You still in my drum, and I'm not scared to play. You won't ever roll and hit me back in 10. And I'm not coming to your club with my strap hand. Niggas who been stab you in your face, niggas ain't real no more now. Hold up, no more calls. But I got real, I got kids.
Pop Avion by the case. Avion. Got a bad bitch for a mate. My plug in a whole other state. Used to get a million by the crates. All my diamonds is BBS. Expensive shit when you see me dressed. Bitch niggas rather see me stretched just behind tent in the Huey vet. Had money, bag money. Way before I got a CD press. Crooks all in my pictures. Scales all in my kitchen.
I got more money than you. I got more
I
money.
owe a bitch nigga nothing.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
All this came from
I
hustling.
got more money than you. I got more money.
Foreign outside, don't touch
I
it.
got more money than you. I got
We
more
turn
money.
nothing into something.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
Bitch nigga nothing.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
Outside, don't touch
I
it.
got more money than you. I got more money.
All this came from hustling.
I got more money than you. I got
We
more
turn
money
nothing
than
into
you.
something.
Wanna speak to the whole like hello, hello. Say on my neck, go metal, bitch. Leave my husband out of metal, bitch. Give me all the when you shoot like mellow, bitch. Half black bag, but my ghetto pay. Alexander Wayne, my ghetto way. Pussy out on my feet, I'm boosted, bitch. Don't fuck you, I'm choosing, bitch. I'm heavy, damn right, because he got me in and he swear to child. My ass say, he keep the units near 9, then he might have pounds. He keeps YG and pay like a belly out long in the present day. I'm about to take the time of my yacht mess. I'm the trap king / pop
I
master.
got more money than you. I got more
I
money.
owe a bitch nigga nothing.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
All this came from
I
hustling.
got more money than you.
outside, don't touch it.
I got more money than you. I got
We
more
turn
money
them
than
into
you.
something.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
I'm a bitch nigga nut.
I got more money than you. I got more money.
Outside, don't touch it.
I got more money than you. I got more
All
money.
this came from hustle.
I got more money than you. I got
We
more
turn
money
them
than
into
you.
something.
24s on my coupe, 40 bands on this ice. This nigga talking that shit. That's why I'm fucking this wife. Been popping bottles all night. I ain't drinking no more. Been put in work with them shooters. They tell you I ain't no hoe. No hoe.
Rainbow rock, I'm back, bitch. Call the pistol case, I'm still strapped, bitch. Made 40 on my slapstick. I'm rich, I don't know how to act, bitch. You a clown. Oh, crusty ass nigga, you broke. You little dusty ass nigga, you little dusty
I
ass
got
nigga.
more money than you.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUSTA NUT Hotline, making better beats, wetter sheets.
I'm all around the road, man. Fell in love with the cocaine. On the coolie out with that tank. And I'm about to sell a whole thing. Hey, my silly, I got that weed, I got that heat, I got that money where you need, I got it. All these things in my phone, man. I got used to the cocaine. I got the clothes, so they acting like they love me now. They never see me, so they making all these stories now. Yeah, I put my money, I'm all on the road and I'm doing these shows. Told him to meet me in person, he met me in person, he froze.